Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. Today, we're going to talk about ice maker hacks that will help prevent it from breaking. And this is difficult for me because I'm trying to do this with a straight face because good luck. Anyhow, these are things you can do to help prevent it from breaking, but unfortunately, like I've talked before, that's what I mostly go look at. For every refrigerator call that I have during a week, between 60 to 70% of those calls are ice and water related issues, meaning the ice maker's not working or the water's not working going out the door. So these are high fail items within a refrigerator. So that is something you have to keep in mind with ice makers because, like I've said in many videos before, they're gonna fail. Some people are gonna say, yeah, my ice maker never breaks, and then you have the other people say, my ice maker breaks all the time. If you're the one that says, my ice maker never broke, well, go buy a lottery ticket because you're very, very, very lucky. We have done a couple of videos on this. I've done one and Tyler's done one. The one that I've done, I'm sure it's much better than Tyler's, but anyhow, they both have good information on it. Mine's better. Love you, Tyler. But they both have a lot of great information on what to do if it's not working. But I'm going to talk about things that you can do to prevent it from breaking in the first place so you don't have to go back and watch the other videos. So things you can do. First and foremost, make sure your freezer is cold enough. Make sure your freezer is turned down to at least 0 degrees or below. The reason for that is the ice makers on all those units, they're required the freezer temperature to be low enough to make it work. So if you have it at a higher temperature, because you don't like your ice cream being necessarily hard. You like a softer ice cream. When you have it at the warmer temperatures, the ice maker takes longer to work. It has to work through a couple other issues with them. So it's better to keep them at 0 degrees or below. It will help. Pull your ice cream out, put it in the microwave. That way your ice maker will produce better. Water filters. That filter goes to both the ice maker and also goes to the water dispenser. So with that, if that filter is clogged or it gets dirty, or if you have an RO system that's attached to it, if that filter is affecting how well that water is flowing into the ice maker, that's going to affect how well the ice maker is working. And if you don't do it, ice makers jam. They break. Fill tubes freeze because we're not getting the right amount of water going through this fill tube to be able to push the amount of water through it so it goes into the ice maker completely. Well, that's why these ice makers freeze up, is because we don't have enough pressure. So if you have an RO system, RO systems are already going to kick the water pressure down because you're filtering the water under the sink. So they don't have as much pressure coming out of the RO systems you would as your normal house pressure. If you have an RO system and you have it on the refrigerator, definitely make sure you get a filter bypass, something that will go in the refrigerator so the water will go through it. Other things you can do, just coming off the top of my brain as I'm thinking about this, make sure that the ice area where the ice bin is, especially on some of the ones that are in the bottom drawer of a French door refrigerator, some people think that's a storage area and then they can throw other things in there. Please don't. If the basket's made for ice, let it be for ice, or shut the ice maker off because that usually causes them to break too. So anyhow, I hope this is helpful. I hope you've given you a couple things you can do to help prevent your ice maker from breaking. And if it doesn't and it's already broken and not working, please refer to our other videos like we talked about earlier, and they will definitely give you some helpful tips to get your ice maker possibly running. And if not, give a servicer a call and we'll come out there and get it taken care of for you. But we have lots of other videos for you to watch. So please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.